Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is 6 day 6 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Aquarius from 13th till the 18th of May. For personal reading and healing sessions and for the courses, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. For 13th, we have the playfulness. The more you are going to not take life, people, situations too seriously or too personally, the more it's going to be an easy day for you, easy breezy and very happy go lucky. You have to make it playful. You have to practice the art of not taking things, people, and situations that much seriously. Yeah, playfulness is required for today. Inner child, connect with your inner child. 14th, we have the compromise. In order to, I am getting this card for you guys from I think 2-3 weeks now. You have to find a middle ground in order to have peace in a particular situation. Now I don't know what kind of situation is this, but you definitely have to have a compromise or a middle ground kind of a situation in order to maintain peace in a situation and or to save a situation, save a connection, maybe save a friendship, save a collaboration, whatever it means to you in your case. Middle ground is required, compromise is required. I've seen 2-3 people commenting, we are not going to compromise. Good for you. Good. Never do that. What peace? Nah. What connection? Nah. Not never do that. Okay, anyways. So 13, 14, 15th, we have the source. Now the source is going to guide you. The divine is going to guide you through dreams, through intuition. Listen to your intuition. If your intuition is telling you again and again and again to go in a certain direction, to do something or not to do something, listen to it. And the universe is kind of like you are very much in tune with universal energies right now, and do whatever you feel is right for you, but listen to your intuition and the universe got your back, especially if you are starting or doing something beautiful, something that's connected to the divine. 13, 14, 15, 16th, we have the laziness. Now you might have this tendency to procrastinate on the 16th of May, and you should not be doing that at all, because this laziness, this procrastination is going to cost you later on. So whatever the important task is or whatever important thing you should finish on this day only, do that and then enjoy your day maybe, because this laziness is going to cost you a little bit if you're not going to be aware of what should be done immediately or maybe on that particular day. Yeah. 17th, we have the transformation. Now you're going through a period of transformation inside out. A lot of things are changing within yourself. You might be a very extrovert person, suddenly you're becoming introvert, or the vice versa. So we would like to in order to go through this transformation phase, just be with yourself as much as you can. Sit in silence, connect with yourself, and let this phase pass with ease, with the peace, and with silence. The more you are going to be silent, the more you are going to be with yourself, the more this transformation is going to be easier for you. And do not ignore any kind of feelings, or do not ignore any kind of painful experience that you might go through because of this situation. The more you are going to be aware that yeah, this is happening, the more it's going to be easier for you. But stay in tune with yourself, meaning stay in silence for some time and stay connected to yourself as much as you can within yourself. Last is change. Last but not the least, change is the only constant. On 18th of May, you have to keep on reminding yourself, change is the only constant. Everything changes with time. Every person, every situation, every season, everything changes. Nothing is permanent. Not me, not you, not this channel, not this whole universe. I mean, yeah, existence is going to be there forever. I think so. I don't know. But change is the only constant with everything and everyone. And keep on reminding yourself this. The more you are going to be aware of the changes and adapt with the changes instead of resisting it, the more it's going to be easier for you to go to the next chapter. Yeah, it's a day-to-day task of something is going to shift on 18th of May, and you are going to feel a little uncomfortable with the changes. But the moment you are going to realize that this is the only reality, change is the only reality, you are good to go. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.